What are you doing, Ian? What are you doing today?
I'm just setting up, getting my lights on. I better turn that screen around as well, just so as we can see our head height. I just want to do a beautiful painting. Where are you, little buddy? Over there. Always keep forgetting where he is.
Yeah, I'm over here, you dickhead. You should look at me when you talk to me.
Sorry, I've got to look at the people. I'm going to paint a simple painting today, so I'm just got everything set up. The brushes are there. I think the microphone's on, yes. And I've got to say thank you to Dave Hofler.
Dave Hofler, hey? Yeah, you've done a few of his.
I have. He's a good photographer, I think. All right, so we'll get into the intro. Have those lights are on? Yes. All right, let's start this intro.
Ian, when you walk in with some fucking dignity, for Christ's sake.
All right. Okay, here we go. Now be quiet, little buddy. Okay. G'day, how you... Oh, fuck.
What's wrong, Ian?
I forgot my gloves. I knew when I was talking here I had to set something up. I forgot my gloves.
I noticed a lot of people in your comments ask, why do you wear gloves? So, fucking tell me, why do you wear the gloves?
Well, see all the paint on them? I wear them mainly to protect my hands from the paint. And yeah, because my fingers get paint in all the cracks and I don't like it. Plus, it's a bit visual as well. So let's get going again.
You're stuffing around, Ian. Stop your stuffing around.
Shut up. All right. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video today. I don't like saying today because it's... All right, quick, come on. All right.
You're fucking around, Ian, more than what I do. Shh.
G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru. Welcome to my video. Today I want to paint something from Dave Hofler. I want a big shout out to Dave Hofler. It's going to be a landscape scene. The size is on the canvas there. Brain ain't a computer. All right, what else have we got? So let's get right on. All right. So I'll bring you over here and we'll get right into it.
Golly, Ian, fuck around a bit.
I'm just thinking, wait a minute. All right, turn that off. Where's me coffee, little buddy?
I'm fucking drinking it.
You fucking better not be. Here, give it here.
I just wanted a mouthful.
No, I need that to keep me going for the painting. All right, hang on, I've got to get the pencil ready and we'll get on to here. Got to get the camera down.
Easy.
Now, there we go, and we'll zoom in a little bit. There we go, easy. Okay, now. Okay, so here's the sky. So I've got me colour chart. I want to get those colours mixed onto... me palette here. So before I put my craft white on and prime up the sky area of my canvas.
Turn the camera off, Ian, because it's fucking hot.
Yeah, let me on. Just hope they can't hear that aircon blasting in the background. Is the camera on? Yes. So I'm going to paint the sky area. Okay. Oh,
What's wrong, Ian?
I keep forgetting that little bottle of water to dampen my brush with. Hang on, let's get that sorted out because this part's going to involve dampening the brush.
Are you right now?
Yeah, I'm all right now. I'll just wet that first, get it primed. Okay, I'm just wetting my filbert brush and I've got some burnt umber and this yellow ochre. I want the brush chiseled like that.
Righto, Ian, righto.
And I'm just getting the tops done first. Might be able to get a little bit of darkness in some of this as well, just to really add some detail.
You mean adding the bullshit effect, don't you, Ian?
Well, yes. See, just like that there. But I want to get this darker colour now. The next lot we put in front, as it's showing in the reference picture, it's going to make sense to the layout of the picture.
I suppose, Ian, studying a picture you're going to paint from as a reference picture you're going to paint, I suppose it pays to study it a bit and analyse things and that like that. Is that, yeah, like that, Ian?
Yeah, that's a good idea, little buddy. Analyse things like you're doing an exam.
A hard line between hard line.
Check out my community tab. Hit the join button if you want to become a member of my YouTube channel. You receive badges, emojis and live shout outs and one-on-one video calls. You get a few perks there.
Play around with it, and pull it. So I'm going to pull it right off. I'm going to keep playing with it till I'm happy with it. There we go, done. Your fucking monitor went out, Ian.
I know, hang on a minute, where are we? Back over here. Okay. Oh, what colour is it? We'll use burnt umber. So grabbing some burnt umber.
Bang, bang. Fucking hell, Ian, the camera's going and you're doing stuff all.
I know, just hang on, I'm nearly up there, just wait a minute. Alright, so where are we? So this colour here, just trying to get a close-up for our little buddy.
Oh, righto. Excuse me, Ian. Yeah, righto.
So just finishing off all these little scallops. And some of that raw sienna, you want to bring over here, get your white, and get a brighter value of that.
Need more white, Ian. You haven't got enough, you dickhead.
I know, just let me get some there. Stop swearing, I said. Now, we're going to fill in that big blank there now. I've got two brushes I want to use for that. Is once again my flat filbert. That was Teresa and Noreen, thank you very much. They're brilliant, aren't they, little buddy?
Yeah, they're real brilliant, Ian. They're fucking brilliant, actually.
Shh, stop you swearing. You always got to put a swear word in there, don't you? That's one half done. It's looking quite real. Now what you can do is grab the smallest, let's say this one here. Where'd it go? Where did that go? I had a water fan brush. Where did that go? Oh, by the hell.
What are you looking for, Ian?
Ah, this here. Where's me rag? I've got a fan brush, one of these ones that finger out. Practice this procedure. This is a procedure to practice within itself. And my goodness, you can create some wonderful, what is it, little buddy?
Oh, yeah, wonderful bullshit.
That's it. You can create some great detail in your painting there.
I like that.
You don't want it too loud. Amp in your appropriate areas back darker again, just to give them that vibe of depth.
Yeah, you need the vibe, Ian, don't you, eh? It's all about the vibe in a painting, I've discovered.
That's right, little buddy.
Try and fix that.
Now just over here, I'm going to whack my signature on here, and then I'll autograph it, then we'll whack a frame on it. Okay, let's whack a frame on that. Where are we? Get up there. I need enough to zoom out. Okay, let's whack a frame on that. There we go, that's not too shabby, is it? Got a bit of a swamp, lake, trees, dusking sky over there. I know, you can do it. Oh.
How's your fucking knees, Ian?
Fucking, I tell you what, the right knee is worse than the other knee.
Why, you're right-kneed, are you?
No, I'm not, you dickhead. It's the one that gets bent a lot. Right, about there.
It looks all right in the frame, doesn't it, Ian?
It sure does. Yeah, I'll turn this screen around to make sure I can do the outro. Yeah, that'll do. I'll put them over there.
You need a fucking haircut, Ian.
Yeah, I know, I'm just too lazy to do it. All right, I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun doing that one. Turned out quite well. Remember to take your time. Be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing. No. What to do about the video? Well, I had a lot of fun, and I know you can do it. Well, I had a lot of fun doing that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, stick around and watch the next one. Tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.
Yeah.
Ah, there goes the knee. Tell you what, this took 4 hours to film, little buddy.
4 hours? You don't normally take that long.
I know, it's just been showing the detail.
Fair enough.
Thank you for watching behind the scenes. Give me the thumbs up, stick around and watch the next one. Share, like and subscribe. And it is Uru from the Guru.
And don't forget me, you bastard.
Oh, and little buddy. See you later.